For today, let's look at this question from SMO 2022 open section. Our main task is to solve this equation, that is square root of 4x plus 5 minus 4 square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 2 minus 2 square root of x plus 1 equals 1. Please do not square both sides at the beginning. Have a good try before you look at the answer.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Now note that 4x plus 5 minus 4 of square root of x plus 1 can be written as square root of 2 square root of x plus 1 minus 2 times 2 square root of x plus 1 times 1 plus 1 square. So in this case, we have the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. And we can write as the square of a minus b. And in this case, it is square of 2 square root of x plus 1 minus 1. Similarly, for the expression x plus 2 minus 2 square root of x plus 1 can be written as square of square root x plus 1 minus 2 times square root of x plus 1 times 1 plus 1 square. Again, it is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in this case, this is equals to square of square root x plus 1 minus 1. By looking at the question again, it is naturally for us to let y equals square root of x plus 1. So the original equation is equivalent to square of 2x minus 1 plus square of x minus 1 equals 1, which is equals to absolute value of 2y minus 1 plus absolute value of y minus 1 equals 1. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Note that the first term equals 0 when y equals to half, and the second term equals to 0 when y equals to 1. So we consider three cases. Number 1, y greater than 1. Number 2, y in between half and 1. And number 3, y is less than half. So for the first case, y greater than 1, this equation means that 2y minus 1 plus y minus 1 equals 1. That is 3y equals 1, which implies that y equals 1. Now we have to reject this because in this case, y has to be strictly greater than 1. And for the second case, y in between half and 1, 2y minus 1 plus 1 minus y equals 1. And this means that y equals 1. And in this case, we can accept it because y is in between half and 1. And therefore, square root of x plus 1 equals 1 and x equals to 0. Now we have to reject it again because our main task is to look at the value where x not equals to 0. And finally, y is less than half. So it's equivalent to say that 1 minus 2y plus 1 minus y equals 1. That is 3y equals 1, and therefore y equals to 1/3, which implies that square root of x plus 1 equals to 1/3, and finally x equals to 1/9 minus 1, which equals to negative 8/9. So looking back at this original question, we want to find the value of modulus of a plus modulus of b. And this a and b actually equals to negative 8/9. So a in this case equals to negative 8 and b equals to 9. And therefore, modulus a plus modulus b equals to 8 plus 9. That is equal to 17. Therefore, the answer for this question is equal to 17. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.